Hi guys, and thanks for finding my channel, and thank you Jörg for sending them all to me. We've done some great things with some slow-mo, and I'm going to show you some great slow-mo shots here. Sit back and enjoy this footage. Language is recording.
He broke when he fell down. Really out.
Thanks guys, thanks for watching. I mean, these are the additional slow-mo footage from Jörg's videos, but if there's one video I want you to watch from my channel, it's the exploding coins. I literally weld 2 coins together with plastic explosives. Check it out.